In this video, I will show you how to connect a NexLev MCP to Claude on your computer. Click on the Customize icon, then go ahead and click on Connectors. Now tap on the plus icon located in the middle. On the drop-down menu, choose the Add Custom Connector option. For this example, I will put NexLev as the name under this tab. Now go to your NexLev account and log in. Once you are in the dashboard, go ahead and click on NexLev MCP. From here, choose the Connect to Claude button. You can also find this under the Documentation tab. Now you need to scroll down a little to find the MCP URL, which I will also link in my video description. Copy this URL and then paste it into the second tab here, and then you can click on the Add button. Now you need to choose Connect again here to link your NexLev account to Claude. Once that is complete, you can manage the permissions here. To double check if it is connected, go to a new chat and then click on the plus icon and go to Connectors. You should see NexLev here. Thanks for watching.